Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete followers on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Strava application if you already have it downloaded into your phone. If you don't have it downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you have it downloaded, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, just go and open the application. And of course, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, log in into it. But if you don't, you will have to go and create a new account with the option that will provide you. They will provide you with the Facebook option, Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you. And once you created the account or logged in into your account, you'll normally find yourself here at this home option of this Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, here you'll actually find your recent posts. And of course, you can create a new post, photo, manual activity, or you can just edit or delete the posts if you want by this option. Choose whatever you want on this application. But what we said, we would like to delete some followers on the Strava application. So of course, you can just go here and click at you at the bottom right corner. And once you do that, you will have to click. Of course, if you are not a profile, make sure to select this. Maybe you'll find sometimes your time on progress or activities. So make sure to click on profiles. And if you want to delete followers, click at the followers option here. And if you have some followers, you'll find them listed here. So of course, if you want to delete them now, what you would like to do is just click at, if you have, there's two options. If you have, like, it depends if you have an iPhone or an Android. I don't know which one of them has this option, but some of them has just delete directly, and some of them have to click on the three dots option, then click at delete. Anyway, both of those options, as I said, delete your followers if you don't want them. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.